this summit is also ideal for those business owners who might want to learn how the blogging community in Cebu help their businesses and other projects and other some social responsibility projects. Is that is this summit also
Yes,
something that they can get something out of?
Yeah. So happen that some of the sponsors, the business owners, want to be members of Cebu Blogging community. Because Mary mentioned we have strict guidelines on accepting members. But yeah, we encourage them, these business owners, to also integrate blogs on their websites. Because from there, we can classify, we could classify them as business bloggers.
Just to add to that, if your website, let's say you're a business person, and if you have a website and you have a blog section on your website, you are 60% more discoverable in Google. So we can help them in a way that if they want to learn the craft, so that they will be able to reach more people, that's how we can help them. If their goal though is just to know how we work, then we may not be able to help them at all unless they really want to learn how to blog for their business as well. The main topic that I will be discussing is how blogging has changed my life. And one of the topics that I will be discussing is how I was able to earn and make a living out of my blog.